Hello all the beautiful people out there. Hi, this is Debani and welcome back to my channel. So today I created this beautiful eye makeup and showing you in a closer view so that you guys can see how it is going to look in real life without any artificial lighting or filters. So to see the full face of the makeup, keep watching till the end. At first, with the help of a spoolie, I'm brushing my eyebrow hair downwards so that I can see the exact boundary and shape of my eyebrow, so that with the help of an angle brush and some eyebrow powder, I can outline my eyebrow and then fill in the gaps, and with the help of a spoolie, I am brushing it to make it look more natural and all the gaps are neatly filled. Now I'm setting my brows with the help of a clear mascara. You can always go ahead and use brow gel, but I find it affordable and equally great as brow gel. Now to define my eyebrows, I have taken a concealer which is a close match to my skin tone and apply it on the upper portion of the eyebrow. And for the lower portion, you can always go ahead and use a lighter shade of concealer so that you can also use it as a base for the eyeshadow, which will make the colors of the eyeshadow pop out and look more vibrant. Make sure to blend your concealer properly and let it set for a few seconds so that your eye makeup doesn't crease. And no need to use extra powder to set your concealer because eyeshadows are generally in powder form, so it doesn't make any sense to set your concealer with extra powder. Now this is an easy trick for beginners. With the help of your finger, try to figure out the bone of your eye socket and directly place the eyeshadow over it. For this look, I am using a burgundy shade, and to deepen this color, I have used some dark brown shade, merging both the colors together and blending properly. Now I am placing this red eyeshadow with orange undertone and blending all the colors together. I have topped it up with some yellow eyeshadow to create that gradient effect. Now the key to create a beautiful eye makeup is blending, so make sure to blend everything out properly. Now with the help of some micellar water on a Q-tip, I am cleaning the area where I am going to create a cut crease. As I have already mentioned earlier, that lighter shade of concealer helps the colors to pop out, so I am using a very light shade of concealer as the base for my cut crease. It is completely your choice if you want to leave it like this or create any different shape or design on the outer corner of your eyelid, but I have used a little arc to get that lifted look. Now I have used this beautiful royal blue shade all over my cut crease, but this is in matte formula. I have used the same shade but in shimmer formula just to top it up so that the colors look more concentrated and vibrant. So always try to use a matte shade before using a shimmer shade of the same color so that it looks more vibrant. I have cleaned my outer edges with the help of a Q-tip dipped in micellar water and set my under eyes with foundation. You can use concealer as well. Now I'm applying some highlighter on the inner corners of the eye. As you guys can see, I've created a wing liner, just leaving some space on the outer corner, and you will know it why I did that in some time. Now I have used a white pencil on my tear duct. You can always go ahead and use any nude color, or the best option is take some concealer on a brush and just apply it. And now I have applied the same blue shade just below the white liner, and to deepen the shade I have used some black eyeshadow and just smoked it out. And just on the inner corners of my lower lash line I have used a silverish green shade. Now I am highlighting my brow bone with the help of some highlighter. Now to add that extra glamorous effect, I am using this nice pastel blue shade on the outer corners of my eyes. And now you know why I left this space before creating the wing. Before applying falsies, make sure to curl your natural eyelashes and apply a good coat of mascara, and also apply mascara on the lower lashes as well. And that's it. This is my complete look. I hope you liked this look. Make sure your lip shade complements your eye makeup so that your makeup looks stunning. And I have already shared the up close view of my eye makeup, and I'm sure it looks equally great. So I hope you like this makeup and this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you liked it. So see you in the next video. Until next time, love you all. Take care. Stay positive. Mwah. Bye.